I'll have an ice cream with the date spread. Thanks.
Ingredients: bananas, a date carob spread. I'm leaving the link for the date carob spread recipe in the description of this video. Preparation: peel the bananas, place the bananas in the freezer and let them freeze. Take the bananas out from the freezer and let them defrost just a bit. Chop up the bananas. Place the chopped bananas into the food processor. Blend the bananas into ice cream. Place the ice cream into a bowl. Add the date carob spread on top. Enjoy this tasty and healthy icy creaminess.